Hey loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today. If you are new, welcome. Sending you all lots of love. I hope all is well with you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a glueless lace wig from Yolissa Hair. This is a 5x5 HD lace front wig. It is in 24 inches and it is in 250% density. So this wig, this hair, and this lace is top quality and absolutely beautiful. I will have everything linked down below, so definitely be sure to check the description box if you missed anything that I said or shared throughout this video, as well as a direct link to the wig if you want to go ahead and check it out for yourselves. But I am going to go ahead and just unbox the wig and show you guys how I went ahead and installed this wig in literally about 10 minutes. Like I mentioned, this wig is from Yolissa Hair, and the wig came to me in this beautiful pink box. They also sent over a couple of goodies. They sent a hair melting band, an edge brush, some HD wig cap, as well as a pair of eyelashes, and also came with a separate satin bag. The wig itself came in a separate plastic bag, and there were labels on it. So again, this is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. I did get mine in a cap size small, and this is 24-inch, 250% density. Now this wig is not pre-cut, and there are no baby hairs pre-cut in the wig. However, not everybody likes to wear baby hairs, and aside from that, this wig is pretty much ready to go. You do have that 5x5 lace parting space at the top of the wig, so you do have room to customize your part, play around if you want to do different hairstyles. You also have a removable, elasticated, adjustable band on the inside of the wig, as well as adjustable straps and combs. And this wig does have the ear tab to shape and seamlessly sit around your ear, which is amazing. Literally right out the box, guys. This is no product, no nothing. I did put a wig cap on underneath this wig, but I did not use any glue to install this wig. So this is literally me throwing the wig on right out of the box. And obviously I wouldn't walk out the house like this, but look at this lace. Look at the hairline. Look how thick and full this hair is. Like, it is absolutely stunning, and this is an amazing base to work with, and you can easily style this wig depending on your preference. Me personally, I can't go without my baby hairs, so I'm just grabbing some hair on each edge of the lace, taking out some of that hair that I'm going to eventually use to create baby hairs. And I am spraying some heat protectant and brushing back the hairline. And I'm going to be using a curling wand, but that is because I am still yet to go ahead and invest in a hot comb. So I'm just using this to flatten out the hairline and make sure all of the hair is pushed back before I go ahead and cut away that excess lace. I am going ahead and curling the hair that I intend on using as baby hairs just a little bit, but you really could go without this step, or if you do have a smaller flat iron or curling wand, you can use that, and that would probably give a better effect. But here I'm just showing you again me smoothing out that hairline and just how natural and pre-plucked this hairline comes right out of the box. It's absolutely stunning, and it's literally like melting into my skin, even with the excess lace still on it. So again, I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat this on the other side. And then I am going to go ahead and take a small razor and just create a very jagged line to cut away the excess lace. I don't intend on using glue for this install like I mentioned. However, I am going to set the lace with a melting band just to allow it to lay flat and form to my hairline. In the meantime, I'm just going to smooth and flatten out the top of the wig just a little bit to help it look a little more natural and scalp-like, like it's growing right out of my scalp. And this hair, guys, is literally so thick. Like, I have not had a wig this thick in such a long time. I am gonna go ahead and add some layers around my face just to frame it a little bit and add a little more shape to the wig overall. But honestly, guys, like, this wig in here is stunning right out of the box. And you really don't have to do anything to style the wig. It's all just personal preference, and I'm sharing with you what I did. But look at this hair. Like, So thick, so voluminous. I love it. Look at this hair, guys. So thick, so voluminous. This hair is also super soft when you run your fingers through it. So to style the curls and define them a little bit more, I'm going ahead and taking my Hashia Beauty hair oil to really nourish the hair all throughout. And then I am going to be taking a curl cream. I am going to be using this on the ends of the hair to really define the curls a bit more and really help them lock in and form together. The hair does look a little bit wet now, but I am gonna go ahead and let it air dry just to show you the difference with some products and compare to it in its natural state. It does look a lot more sleek, of course, because the product is still wet in the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this to the other side and remove that wig band and style my baby hairs in the meantime. I'm going ahead and cutting down the hairs that I want to use as baby hairs, and then I'm applying some edge control to my baby hairs and just swooping them into place. Again, guys, I am laying my baby hairs, but I'm not applying any glue to the actual lace for this install. And this is how the lace is looking after just letting it melt down with the melt band with no glue. And the hair is not dry yet, but this is basically the final product of me installing this wig in about 10 minutes, guys. Like real time, 10 minutes. It took me some time to install my ball cap underneath, but to actually install this wig and style it, literally 10 minutes. Right out of the box, you're getting a super high quality hair, HD lace, which is super easy to melt and blend into your skin. And the cap construction overall is really made to just lay super flat and seamlessly without any glue. So I really appreciate Yolissa Hair for actually providing a glueless wig. When they say glueless, if you want to check out Yolissa Hair, I'll leave the link down below. They do have some other textures, so if you're not into this particular texture and you want to try out straight, body wave, a different color, you can go ahead and check out their website because they do have a bunch of options. And I definitely recommend their wigs overall just based on the cap construction, quality of this hair, and how easy it was to install. I'm so impressed with the lace. I'm in love with the hair, and I would definitely recommend Yolissa Hair for a glueless lace wig if you're looking for a new one or looking to try one out. I will have everything linked down below. Let me know what you guys think. I'm absolutely in love with this wig. Your girl is working full time. I am a mom. I'm super busy. I really don't have time for the wig installs, but this is super quick and easy to switch up your entire look, switch up your hair, and protect your natural hair in the meantime. Let me know what you guys think. Check the description box down below. Be sure to follow me on Instagram to stay connected a bit more. And again, sending so much love to each and every single one of you. I know I've been gone for a while, but I hope to be back with more uploads more consistently soon. So let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Love you so much. Mwah. Bye, guys.